I am King Richard, aka the God of Rap from Creative Minds Entertainment. That's K.M.E. If you don't know, I swear you know now. And we are about to open some brand new gifts that I just received in the mail. Let's go! The first thing that we have brand new out of the mailbox is we have something from Vistaprint. Something from Butter. If you don't know about Butter, then you know what this is. The next thing we have is some big bag from a custom printing shop. I'm not sure exactly what I ordered. Sometimes I act like my wife and I be ordering stuff and not sure exactly what I ordered. But we gonna find out today. If you can see that, that's a K.M.E. shirt, a black one. What they say on the back though? You know what I'm saying? Man, they say Big Chris, man. If you ever listen to my music, then you know how important Big Chris is to me. So shout out Big Chris, man. This one's for you, big bro. To support high quality music, you need to holler at me and K.M.E. the Goddess, man. We got high quality music. Out mountain stores right now. You know what I'm saying? The Portrait of a King. This one and this two. Man, make sure y'all copy it. And we can see we got another K.M.E. shirt. Look at that. That's Cole, man. Shout out to Cole, man. That's my cousin, man. Shout out this one for you, Cole. You know what I'm saying? I got you right. Butter is a skincare line. If you don't know, it's for the brothers and sisters with melanin. And I started using this a couple years ago, and I haven't used it in about a year, almost a year at this point. And the skin is still skinning, if you know what I'm saying. But this is a very good skincare line for people with melanin. Rejuvenate and replenish, because health is wealth. So you want to take care of yourself. Everybody, make sure you drink plenty of water. I wouldn't look like this at 42 if I didn't drink plenty of water.
I believe we have something special for you today. I believe we have something special for you today.
Hold up. As you can see, yeah, man. Creative Minds Entertainment hoodie, man. You know what I'm saying? Nice and plush and thick. What is that on the back? What is on the back? King Richard, aka the God of Rap, baby. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at that. Look at that. K.M.E. baby. K.M.E. baby. Creative Minds Entertainment. It's me, man. K.M.E. the Goddess, man. Like I said, if y'all trying to cop some of this merch, man, holla at me, man. I got you, man. Support the team, man.
Something that is different, humble but with showmanship. Welcome to what's alternate, far beyond the average. Craftsmanship and excellence, listen in your membership. Welcome to what's alternate. Too many yes men relatable to male robots. I provide another option if you provide the clock. Lately you've been settling like the colonists that stop. I am not accredited, but I live in my workshop. In detention, you ain't listen to the spitting, but the news got you cringing, praying, wishing more than image seen is cool. No, you timid to admit it. You don't dig them, it's not cruel, but prevention is my mission and retention is my fuel. Brush it out, take the loss.